Hello everyone, this is a video of a quick fix in case you happen to have a problem with your newer Ford truck not starting. This is a no crank condition. As you can see, when we turn the key to the on position, the odometer just shows dashes. You have a bunch of warning lights on, and when you try to start the vehicle, turn the key, nothing happens. So the truck won't start, and there's a lot of warning messages. Then when you turn the key off, your odometer reading comes back. If you have this problem, there's a quick fix. There's an emergency fix here to at least get you to your dealer or wherever you need to get to have this problem fixed. I'll show you what it is. What you will need here, you will need a jumper wire, a jumper lead here with alligator clips on the end, and then you will need a little alligator clip here with a sharp prong on the end. This is used for probing terminals. It's got a sharp tip here on the end, so just be careful with it. It's a little bit sharp, but you do need that sharp tip, and I'll show you why. So make sure you have your jumper wire here. Now ideally you want this to be fused. You want this to have a 25 amp fuse in it for safety reasons, but in an emergency situation, this will get your truck started. So let's go under the hood and I'll show you where this is at. Underneath the hood on the passenger side, you have the battery here, and there's a fuse block tucked in behind the battery. It's a little bit difficult to get to, but if you work it correctly, you can get this cover off. So you want to pull these little two tabs back. There's two little tabs here on either side. You pull those back, then the fuse cover lid lifts off. Push it to the driver's side of the vehicle a little bit, and then you'll need to rotate it clockwise about 90 degrees. And the fuse box cover comes off. Now, what I've already done is I've already checked all these fuses, and this is the fuse right here that should be getting power when the key is on. The problem is the fuse is good, and I apologize, I said 25 amp fused lead. It's actually a 20 amp, so my bad on that. It's a 20 amp circuit here, not a 25 amp. Just a correction there. This middle fuse right here, you look on your fuse block, you got this bolt here, and then over to the left, your middle 20 amp fuse. This fuse should have ignition voltage when the key is turned on. The problem is it's not getting voltage. I've checked the fuse is good. Now, I've fixed several of these trucks already, and the fix turns out to be replacing this whole fuse block. There's a problem with the fuse block here that's causing this fuse to not get power, and this fuse is what is responsible for powering up your engine control module. If your engine control module does not get power, the truck will not start. So what you do is you take this end of your wire lead here with the sharp probe on the end, and what you're going to do is you're going to stick it in alongside the fuse like so. So we're going to stick that in alongside the fuse and push it down, okay? I'm going to push that down into the fuse there. And what that'll do is that'll make contact with the fuse leg and the circuit board terminal. So see how I've got that in there? You want to make sure that you go on the driver's side of the fuse, or the right side of the fuse as you're looking at it from the back here. Then you take your other end of your wire here, of your wire lead. Again, ideally you want this to be fused with a 20 amp fuse, but in emergency situations you can do this. Connect it to the positive battery cable, just right here. So I clamp it on like so. You may see a little spark, like you saw those little sparks there. That's the engine control module powering up. Now let's go back inside the truck and see if it starts. As you can see, the truck now starts and runs. You can put it in gear and it's now mobile. You can take it to your dealer or your service center to get it fixed, get it repaired. If your truck is under your bumper-to-bumper warranty, Ford will fix this. Again, the fix to this problem is to replace that fuse block. That's where the problem's at. And It's not too bad of a job. If your truck is out of warranty, it's really not that bad. You just have to get the battery out of the way and disconnect the electrical connectors. But again, guys, I hope this helps some people out who maybe have this problem. I realize that this could be an inconvenience to have your truck not start on you, but I wanted to share this fix that I found with people. So in case there's anyone stranded out there or can't figure out what to do, hopefully this video helps you out and you can get it taken to your dealer or your service shop and they can get it fixed for you. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.